Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vash, and we are back with another Ball on a Budget week series. I'm gonna keep it nice, cute, and mute because your girl had a long day, so I'm like extremely tired. But nonetheless, of course, I had to give you guys the last and final wig review that Divatress sent me. It's just looking it's just looking real cute, right? I am just in awe. I don't even know what to tell you guys at this point because I've been staring at myself in the mirror for about a cool 20 minutes and just playing in it. But this unit is by Red Carpet Premiere. It is a lace front wig. It's the face frame highlight collection. I've been peeping it a lot. A lot of YouTubers did review it. Well, not a lot, some of them. And it's just really cute. I got her in the FR1B/suede, and this is in the style Cari. So Cari is just giving me Miami Beach, some island vibes, Jamaica, Barbados. Like, it's really just giving me that look, you know? I need to be on a tropical island right now. I need some men to be feeding me strawberries while one is rubbing down me with some coconut oil in this hair. Like, seriously, it's really cute. I love it. I love the little extra highlight that they put right here. I love the ash blonde on the bottom, like, and then the dark black roots at the top. They did such a fantastic job creating this unit, okay? Like, let me just say. It comes with your basic wig construction, which are the two combs in the front, one in the back, and the adjustable straps. And this is not like a 13x4 lace parting. It is just the lace flat in the middle. So if you want to shift it to the left, want to shift it to the right, it's all your preference. You know, me, I don't really do side parts. I'm a middle part type of gal. I don't know if you guys really noticed that about me. I really just don't do side parts. I don't know why, but it's just so cute. I think what I love about this unit is because my face is really fat and it's very chubby. It's been that way since birth. So with this having that sleek look with everything just being one layered, it really isn't bad when you just flip one side over the shoulder, or you just take one piece and tuck it behind your ear. I really just plopped the wig on and did the got to be glue method and just slicked, of course, the baby hairs right there because I just love like a little style, a little bit of a twist to make it look a little bit natural. That's pretty much what I always do to my straight units, well, any lace unit to be exact, just that little widow's part, the little widow's peak swoop, because I have a natural widow's peak. So yeah, but look at that parting. Beautiful, right? It's just so bomb. It's like about 5 inch of parting space. I really did not have to flat iron this hair as far as making the top piece here flat. I didn't do none of that. The only thing that I really flat ironed was the bottom, because it comes with this little layered bump, this little, I don't know, it reminds me of the 90s when the thing was to get the little bump towards the end, and I don't really like that. I tried to flat iron it the best way I could just so that bump could really be out, but still have that little body. I would say this unit is approximately, I would say it's about a good 22 inches long. I like my units long, but not too long. And this is just the right amount of length. My pros are, I love the color. I love the parting space. I love how easy it is to maintain. You didn't have to do much manipulation. I didn't have to pluck the parting, none of that. I just plopped the powder and this is what you got. Does it shed? Let's check. Just a few little shedding, but that comes with all your synthetic units. You know, ain't gonna be no flawless unit that don't come with no shedding. So it's just a little bit, not that much. You know, I always tell you guys, you get what you pay for, okay? So that's it, and that is all. I told you guys I want to keep my Ball on a Budget wig series wig reviews brief because I know I can talk a lot. But all the deets will be in the description box below. Thank you so much, Divatress, for sending these units to your girl. Hope that we continue to collaborate in the future. And as always, to my VASHINE Squad, thank you guys so much for holding me down, watching my videos, sticking out with me even when I go MIA and when I bounce right back. You guys are amazing. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next review or next video. Always remember to stay blessed, stay safe, and stay positive. Mwah. Love you guys so much. See you later. Bye.